Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily and in this video I will be creating two shaped cards. Both are using the circle shape card from Trinity, and you can see it here on screen. I created a card base out of Nina, 110-pound cardstock. It's my favorite, it's my go-to, that's the thing I'm using all the time. I have two here for both my cards. I off camera cut a lot of these small confetti or sort of sprinkle pieces that I will layer on top of both of my projects. On top of my first here, I'm also stamping the sprinkles on my donut. This is a little, I believe it's 4x4 stamp set, and I'm using unicorn white pigment ink from Hero Arts, and I will stamp that down and then I will sprinkle some white embossing powder on top of it and then heat set it. I'm using the white just in case the embossing powder isn't picking up everywhere. I'm finding that I have a really good result when I'm doing this and only want to stamp it once. Since it's an odd shape, it's hard to fiddle it back into my MISTI again if I didn't stamp it perfectly the first time I needed to heat set it again. So that is just why I use the white, and it's a little trick that I have been using and liking for the past year or so. So you can see I'm using my tool from Trinity and just picking up and turning them the right way before I'm sticking them down into the glue here around my card. And I'm using my Sweet Petunia glue, I don't know what it's called, glue stick or something like that. It's just a tool to help you press out the glue from the newer bottles. I really been liking it since I got it, and yeah. Here is another piece. This one I cut out with a hole in the middle, and I sort of wanted to fit it with this A glaze ing stamp set. It has a lot of beautiful sentiments. I will be using one of those today as well. For this one I'm using the clear since I will be heat embossing with another embossing powder. This is from Wow, and it was a collaboration between Wow and Alex Iberia Design, and it's a really fun one. It's not like blue, it's not white, it's something in between because it's sprinkles of different colors inside. It's really beautiful. I hope you can see it here on camera a little bit how it looks, and I heat set this off camera and you will see how it looks everything when it's all dry. Here it is. It's really fun. It was a perfect mix for that sprinkles that I will have on top of it later. So here I'm going in with some more glue drops and then the drops on top. So you can see here I'm just spending some time fiddling around with all of these. I had a blast. I think this is sort of therapeutic and quite a nice task to do. And then I will also create a sentiment for this when I am done with all of this. So if you haven't checked out this shaped card, I think that is one of the must-haves in your stash. It was a part of the latest release from Trinity, and yeah, I have been loving it. You will probably see it in the future many times from me because I think it's just nice. It's hard sometimes to create a shaped card that is perfect. You can do it with your stacking dice, but this is really nice not be having to fiddling around with that. And by the way, the stamp set here, or the stamped sentiment, also come from the A glazing stamp set that I used for my topping. So that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration on how you can use these products together. And yeah, everything will be listed down below. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!